We will continue to see that cold weather as we do head towards the next couple of hours. So this is our basic weather story for us. Starting off, sunshine, not too bad, right? But then Tuesday, we look at some rain moving in. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Well, a very cold and cloudy day. Even earlier this morning, we were out in Weather Force 11. Didn't see anything at first, and then we started hearing and seeing a little bit of some sleet. Moving towards Pine Bluff now with this, also reports of 1-inch size hail in the area as well. So the fire's helping a little bit, but yeah, tomorrow will actually be a lot colder. So I will be feeling a lot different tomorrow, showing how large the hail is, almost 3 inches. So we've seen that here across the state. And also not only hail, but lightning. A tree down on a house in Rover that is in Yale County. So numerous reports coming in, probably still be more. We are seeing mostly some cold rain down south. My grandmother over in Cotton Plant was saying she thought she heard some sleet not too long ago over towards that area. Sauna or a steam room kind of.
That's how it's feeling right now.
Yeah, that's how it's feeling right now. Hey guys, yeah, we are talking about some very cold temperatures indeed. A lot of places below freezing. Hopefully some of those places have gotten above that. But over the weekend, we saw quite a bit of, what was it, white stuff on the ground?
Yeah, some snow. I was surprised.
All of those reporters are very cold this morning. That's because we got this wind chill. It's in the single digits for us. 1 degree is what it feels like in Little Rock. Up north, though, a lot worse. You can see snow starting to enter into the state for the northern part here later on this afternoon. Does go throughout the rest of the state. Rain down south, that will turn into sleet and some snow. I can also feel that the severe weather is on the way. My toe feels a little achy right now, so I know sometimes when you have your joints and arthritis, it does kind of hurt as the weather is changing. So the rest of today looks to be okay, but we'll start off into the 30s for tomorrow. Rain does start to move back in as we head towards our Thursday evening. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Right now, things looking good outdoors. We actually warmed up quite a bit, so we did bump up the high for today. Also, it is breezy.
The Crane Kia Weather Garden.
Good afternoon, everybody. Out here in the Weather Garden, things are starting to heat up. Now the sun is out. Not too long ago, it was pouring down, raining. I know that was a trend for a lot of people earlier today.
All you want is an extra hour of sleep from your daylight saving.
My favorite time is when we do fall back. I do get that extra hour.
Great day.
It feels good. Hey, good morning. You did mention the winds, Marielle. Winds are starting to pick up out here. We also do see some cars still trying to drive through here. This is on South Kerr Road. If you're on I-40, you take the Kerr exit and you go off to the left over that overpass. This is exactly where we are. So once again, very windy and roadways are pretty active this morning. We're actually going to get out of the way here just a second. This truck is coming. But once again, Lonoke County Sheriff's Office asking people to use caution. That's got a lot of water. Do not try to drive through it. It's just not worth the risk. Hey, good morning. Yes, we are in Arkadelphia on Caddo Street. You can see where we are right now. Sheriff's car right here blocking the bridge. This is going over the Ouachita River. Hey, good morning. Right now we have just arrived in Arkadelphia, and we're up on Caddo Street right by the Ouachita River. And you can see right now we're here. We just arrived. We got a sheriff car blocking the bridge. We're actually going to get out here in just a few minutes to show you just how high the water is. You can't really see it from here. So first things first, let's talk about the bus stop forecast. Could see a little patchy fog, more though towards Pine Bluff. And then as we head throughout the rest of the day, we'll be into the 40s and looking at some partly cloudy conditions. Rain very likely today afternoon. So 34 right now in Little Rock. Other temperatures across the state still looking at below freezing temps for Russellville on up. Everybody else though into the lower 30s. We'll continue to warm up into some upper 40s, lower 50s. A little bit of a warm up though. But then we're really warming up as we head towards Saturday, as we're looking at highs possibly being in the 70s, which is not good news. We'll tell you that, tell you about that coming up. But you can see for our area, not really a whole lot going on just yet. But as we head later into the day, that's when we'll really start to see rain moving in. So marginal risk for severe weather as we head towards our Friday. But look at Saturday, an enhanced risk still for more than half of the state. And if you're not in that enhanced risk, you're under the slight risk. So what we're expecting here as we head towards the weekend, possibility of some heavy rain
strong winds, and can't rule out seeing a tornado or two in the area. So this 2 days away, so this could continue to update as we do gather more data. Now, back to today, we'll see the rain moving in from the south, and about 3 p.m. today, most of everybody is seeing some type of a scattered activity throughout the state. So keep that in mind. Then as we head towards Friday morning, we are looking at a brief quiet period, but then rain starts to come back. A lot of it, though, towards Monticello area as we head towards Friday night. On into Saturday, pretty much all day Saturday, we'll see some rain. And with that, that's when our severe weather could also come in. So keep that in mind, especially as we're heading to the next couple of days, and also going to have a concern for some of the rivers, especially out to the east. I've already seen a lot of rain in these areas. Now this is in the next 48 hours, additional 1 to 3 inches in a lot of places will not be helpful at all. So here's a look at the extended forecast. 40s for today, afternoon rain, but then Friday we warm up slightly, 80% chance of rain, but Saturday, circle this day, 70s. So a lot of places in the state will be upper 60s, lower 70s. Not normal for this time of year and not good news, as that will contribute to our possibility of seeing some severe weather.